Hello beautiful people, you're welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing great. In today's video we are making this very simple mango butter moisturizing cream that helps to moisturize the skin very well. This is a moisturizing cream that is suitable for all skin type and it is very lovely on the skin. I hope you guys are going to love this recipe as well. If you're seeing my channel for the first time, please kindly subscribe to my channel and I'll really appreciate that. Let's get right into the video. I am going to get started by measuring my heated oil phase ingredients, and I'll place a clean bowl on my scale. I will add in some mango butter into my bowl. I use 20 grams of my mango butter. Mango butter is a very moisturizing butter that is suitable for all skin types. Mango butter helps to soften the skin and it's really good on the skin. After adding in my mango butter, I will add in some petrolatum. I added in 20 grams of my petrolatum as well. Petrolatum is an unrefined petroleum jelly that is very good on the skin. It helps to moisturize the skin and it keeps your skin hydrated. This is a very lovely ingredient. Then I will add in some emulsifying wax. Emulsifying wax will help to bind our oil and water together and will help to emulsify the two phases together. Then I will add in some cetyl alcohol. Cetyl alcohol is also an emulsifier. After adding that, I will add in some IPM into my bowl. IPM is isopropyl myristate. It helps to moisturize the skin as well, and this also helps to improve skin penetration enhancement. So these are my oil phase. I'll set this aside. Then I'm going to measure out my heated water phase. For this phase, I am using allantoin. Allantoin is a moisturizing ingredient that helps to moisturize the skin. It also has soothing benefits on the skin. Then I will add in some EDTA. EDTA is a chelating agent that helps to stabilize our product for a longer period of time. And I'm going to add in some glycerin. Glycerin is an humectant that helps to, hydrate the skin and moisturize the skin. Then I'm going to be adding in some distilled water into my beaker. After adding in my distilled water, this is my water phase. I am going to get my oil phase and I'll take the two phases to my double boiler to heat the two phases up and to dissolve. I'm sorry about my voice, please. I have catarrh. This is my heated oil phase and my heated water phase. The two phases are fully heated. The next thing I will do is I'll pour my water phase into my oil phase and I'm going to stick blend this together using my stick blender to thoroughly mix the two phases together. So this phase is creating an emulsion. I'm going to keep stick blending this and I'll leave it for some time to cool. I'll stick blend again and leave it to cool till the face is well thickened up and I have a thick base cream. And now this is my base. It is thickened up and you can see this, but before this we completely thicken up and it will completely cool down. I would like to add in some mica color into my moisturizer. So you see this mica color, I don't know, I have this mica color, it's just too much, this blue color. So like I wanted to use blue color but I don't want to use too much, so the cream is not looking too blue because I've not seen a blue cream before. So I just added the mica color and then I still blend together to thoroughly mix together. So this is my base cream. I'm going to be adding in the rest of my cool down. And to add in my cool down, I'll start with my vitamin E oil. I'm going to add 4 grams of my vitamin E oil into my cream. Vitamin E oil is an antioxidant that helps to protect the skin from free radicals and is very good on the skin. Then I will add in my essential oil. I use bergamot essential oil. Then I added in my Chama Plus preservative, which is our preservative to preserve our cream. Then I'm going to mix together everything to combine, and this is it. This is my moisturizing body cream. As you can see that this recipe is beginner friendly. It is easy to put together and you're just going to get a lovely moisturizing cream. I love it. It is lightweight, it is not too thick, and it easily penetrates the skin. So trust me, you're going to love it as well. So the next thing I will do is I'll check the pH of my cream, and when I checked the pH, it was just right on pH 5, which was just perfect. I didn't bother adjusting the pH. And the next thing I did was I got my clean container to store in my body moisturizer, and we've created a beautiful body moisturizer that is suitable for all skin type. Just richly moisturize the skin very well, and you're going to love the recipe. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe to my channel. And to my returning subscriber, thank you guys so much for always coming back to watch my video. It's actually raining at this point. Bye bye.